unboxing of switzer made flow switch. Here is the box which comes with the packaging, and here are some of the details like customer, model number, serial number, work order number, and it is the company Switzer Process Instrument Private Limited, and it is in Chennai. So here we are going to show you what's inside the box, and here is the flow switch, and this is the flow switch main instrument, main package, and here is the electrical rating of it: 15 ampere, 250 volt AC, pressure rating is 10 bar, and model is CMG. This is the Switzer made flow switch, and the main purpose is to measure the flow rate of the fluid flowing through the pipes. Okay, and another thing which comes with the box is the manual, which has all the details like general instructions, operation, health, safety warning, cautions, installation process, steps, commissioning, switch settings, design drawings, and internal views, and the sizes, etc., mounting dimensions. These are the details, and these are the pedals of varying sizes which have to be inserted inside the pipe with the. Okay, so now I will tell you some of the details regarding the flow switch. It is a Switzer flow switch style designed for measurement of fluids. It is micro switch mounted outside the flow stream, and it is actuated by sealed metallic bellows. Here you can see it, and the pivoted SS pedal. The instrument is weatherproof to the rating of IP33 only when the cover and cable gland are provided. And I will tell you about the operation. It has a stainless steel pedal fixed to the pedal arm, pivoted on a metal bellow. Here it is also provided in the internal view. You can see that this is the pedal. This is the pedal, and it is the balance spring, bellows, screw plates, adjusting screw, micro switch. The deflection of the pedal is proportional to the velocity of flow and the area of the pedal. The movement of the pedal actuates the micro switch against a control spring over here. The bellow seal provides the total isolation of the switch mechanism from the process fluid.
So what's the its price?
And I will tell you about the maintenance. Specifically, there is no.
What's its cost?
It may cost you around 2,000 to 4,000, as we don't know the actual price. And I will tell you about the maintenance. No specific maintenance is required. If always check the contact or wire connected to the microswitch terminal, and a grease used where the microswitch lever screw touches the balancing arm once in 6 months, and keep the cover screw always tight. Always ensure that the cable gland is fitted tight to hold the cable properly. Thank you.